If you're a contractor or a business owner looking for an easier way to manage customer payments and invoicing, then you're in the right place. CoConstruct has a powerful set of tools to help you streamline these processes, and I'll be showing you how it works in this video, so stick around to see how it can make your life a whole lot easier. First, CoConstruct helps you automate invoicing, which means you don't have to waste time manually creating invoices. With its customizable templates, you can generate invoices that look professional and fit your needs. Once set up, you can send them directly to your clients from within the platform, cutting down on the back and forth. Next thing, CoConstruct also helps you track payments, so you always know where things stand. Whether you're receiving partial payments, progress billing, or final payments, CoConstruct tracks everything automatically. You won't have to guess if a client has paid or worry about overdue invoices. This makes managing cash flow way easier, especially when dealing with multiple projects at once. The third thing is that you can accept payments online through CoConstruct, which adds another layer of convenience. Clients can pay directly from the invoice with just a few clicks. This reduces delays in payments and helps improve your cash flow. It's a win-win because both you and your clients have an easier experience. Fourth, CoConstruct gives you the ability to set up payment schedules. If you're working on large projects, you can set up milestones and assign specific payments to each phase of the job. This keeps your clients on track and ensures you're paid as you go without any surprises. Another cool feature is that CoConstruct allows you to track expenses and compare them with your invoices. You can quickly see whether you're staying within budget or need to make adjustments. This feature is invaluable for keeping projects financially on track. And here's something a lot of contractors love. CoConstruct integrates seamlessly with accounting software like QuickBooks. This means all your financial data is automatically synced, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. You won't have to manually transfer data between systems anymore. Finally, CoConstruct also offers reporting tools that give you a clear view of your financial status. You can generate reports on payments, invoices, and overall cash flow with just a few clicks. These reports are useful for making informed business decisions and keeping your finances in check. Now, here's something special. If you're interested in trying out CoConstruct for yourself, you can get access completely free through the first link below, along with some exclusive bonuses. This is your chance to explore everything CoConstruct has to offer, risk-free, and see how it can streamline your payment and invoicing process. Don't forget, this video mentioned the extended free trial offer. Take advantage of it and make managing customer payments and invoicing easier than ever.